what is the middle term in the sequence z z y y y x x x x like that. So z is coming 2 times, then y is coming 3 times, x is coming 4 times, right? W will be coming 5 times and v will be coming 6 times and so on. Finally, how much time a will come? It will be 27 because there are 26 alphabets, okay, and it is starting from 2 not 1, remember that. So a will be coming not 26 but 27 times a will come, okay. So here first we need to find out how many total terms are there. So here how we need to find out the total number of terms, just add all these things because z is coming 2 times, y is coming 3 times, so x is coming 4 times, similarly like that till 27. Now we know that the sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Actually you can use that formula. So here n is 27, but that is first n numbers means it is starting from 1, okay. So from starting from 1, if it's 1 plus, then it will be n into n plus 1 by 2, that is 27 into 27 plus 1 is 28 by 2, so that is 14. So 27 into 14, if I do, it is coming 378, okay. So but we don't need to use 1 because that is starting from 2, so we need to minus 1 here. So total number of terms here will be 377. Now we need to find out the middle term, okay. So I am dividing 377 by 2. So if I divide 377 by 2, I will get 188 as quotient, okay. So it's like 2 ones are 2, then you have 17, 8, 16, then 117, again 8, 16. So you will get remainder as 1. So there you are getting remainder 1. That means here total 377 terms are there. So 188 terms will come first, then one middle term will come, then again 188 term will come, okay. So the total 188 plus 188 plus 1 is 377. So this is the total number of terms, okay. So we need to find what is this term. So here rather than starting from back, so because z, y, x, that is actually very difficult for you because normally we will say a, b, c, etc. So it's actually good if you start from this side. Again after 188, if we start from this side, after 188 the term, it will come the middle term, right? So a is coming 27 times. And if you look at the options, it is h, I, j, k. So I am adding all these things first. A is coming 27 times, B is coming 26 times, C is coming 25 times, D is coming 24 times, E is coming 23 times, F is coming 22 times, G is coming 21 times. Now if I add all these things, I will get 168. So until G, 168 terms are finished. Now H will come 20 times. Now 168 plus 20 means it is 188. So all these 188 terms means it will be A to H, okay. So this term will be I, the I will be starting, right? So this middle term is I. So option B is the right answer here.